Students, today we start solving the sums of exercise 8.3 of the lesson probability distributions. Exercise 8.3, question number 1. A die is thrown 4 times. If getting an odd number is a success, find the probability of 2 successes. Here we denote the variable x as the number of odd numbers because it is given that getting an odd number is the success. Now in a single throw, P of, that is probability of getting an odd number, is equal to small letter p, that is probability of success, is equal to probability of getting the numbers 1 or 3 or 5. Odd numbers in a single throw are 1, 3 or 5. So favorable outcomes are 3 divided by total number of outcomes in the single throw is the numbers from 1 to 6, that is 6 outcomes in the sample space, is equal to 1 upon 2. So probability of success P is equal to 1 upon 2. Then Q is obtained by subtracting P from 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. And here it is given that there are 4 throws, that is n is equal to 4. Then we can write the variable x follows the binomial distribution with parameters 4 and 1 upon 2, that is n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 1 upon 2. So we can write the probability mass function of x as p of x is equal to x is 4cx, that is ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x form. So it is 4cx 1 by 2 raised to x into 1 by 2 raised to 4 minus x. That is 1 by 2 can be combined here. So 4cx into 1 by 2 raised to x plus 4 minus x. So x will get cancelled and only 4 remained here. And the values of x varies from 0 to 4. It can be, that is the number of successes can be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. We obtain the probability mass function of x, then we find the probability of 2 successes, that is P of x is equal to 2, that is out of 4 throws to get the probability of 2 successes, that is 2 odd numbers. So we substitute in the probability mass function x is equal to 2, that is 4c2 1 by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is n factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial. X factorial means 2 factorial and n minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2 factorial again, into 1 by 2 raised to 4. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Into 2 into 1 can be written as 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1 into 2 factorial. So 2 factorial can be cancelled. So the remaining terms are 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 and 1 by 2 raised to 4 is 1 by 16. So 4 can be cancelled here. So 4 times and 3 upon 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. That is 3 upon 8 or 0.375 is the probability of getting 2 odd numbers out of 4. Then second probability, that is probability of at least 3 successes. That is P of x. At least 3 successes means x can be greater than or equal to 3. It can be 3 or 4. Or it can be calculated by P of 1 minus P of x less than 3 because total probability is 1. That is from 0 to 4 if we substitute and add, the total probability is 1. So instead of finding the probability P of x greater than or equal to 3, we can find the probability 1 minus P of x less than 3. And less than 3 means x can be equal to 0, x equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. And we can add these terms. So 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. That is 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 is obtained by substituting x is equal to 0 in the probability mass function 4cx into 1 by 2 raised to 4. That is 4c0 into 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus 4 P of x equal to 1 is 4c1 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, and the last one P of x is equal to 2 is 4c2 into 1 by 2 raised to 4. Now 4c0 is 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 4 is 1 by 16. So 1 into 1 by 16, 1 by 16 plus 4c1 is 4. 4 into 1 by 16, that is 4 upon 16, plus this we have already calculated. P of x is equal to 2 is 3 upon 8, and 3 upon 8 can be written as 6 upon 16. And now the denominators are same, so we can add the terms by adding the numerators. So it is 11 upon 16, and we have to subtract 11 upon 16 from 1. So 1 minus 11 upon 16 is equal to 5 upon 16, which is 0.3215. Now the third probability of the same is find the probability of at most 2 successes. At most 2 successes means P of x less than or equal to 2. That is the maximum success is 2. So it can be 0 or 1 or 2. So it is written as P of x is equal to 0 or P of x is equal to 1 or P of x is equal to 2. So P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. And this we have already calculated, that is this bracket part, 11 upon 16. So we can write 11 upon 16 here, that is 0.6875. Question number 3. There are 10% defective items in a large bulk of items. What is the probability that a sample of 4 items will include not more than 1 defective item? So here we define x as the number of defective items. Now P of getting a defective item is, there are 10% defective items out of 100, 10 defective items. That is P of success is equal to 10 upon 100, that is 0.1. And from this we can calculate Q as 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. And here a sample of 4 items are taken, so n is equal to 4. So we can write x follows the binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 0.1. So probability mass function of x is written as P of x is equal to x is equal to ncx, that is 4cx into p raised to x, that is 0.1 raised to x, into q raised to n minus x, that is 0.9 raised to 4 minus x. X can be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now we find the probability that the sample will include not more than 1 defective item. So it can be P of x less than or equal to 1. It is P of x is equal to 0 or 1. Now P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Now we substitute x is equal to 0 and 1 in the probability mass function, 4cx into 0.1 raised to x into 0.9 raised to 4 minus x. So first one, put x is equal to 0. So 4c0 into 0.1 raised to 0 into 0.9 raised to 4 plus, when x is equal to 1, 4c1 into 0.1 raised to 1 into 0.9 raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now simplification, 4c0 is 1 and 0.1 raised to 0 is also 1. So remaining 0.9 raised to 4 in the first term plus 4c1 is 4. You can calculate in the formula. 4c1 is 4 into 0.1 raised to 1, that is 0.1 into 0.9 raised to 3. That is 0.9 raised to 3 is common in both the terms. So taken out into 0.9 is remaining in the first term plus 4 into 0.1 is 0.4. That is 1.3. 0.9 plus 0.4 is 1.3. 1.3 into 0.9 raised to 3 is the required probability. Now remaining sums we will solve in the next video. Thank you.